Welcome to PLASA 2019. My name is Robert Bell from Pathway Connectivity, and we are going to be showing you our Octo product, which is a DMX RDM gateway connected to the SixEye cloud. Now, we've partnered with SixEye, where they've done a lot of work in the background, making a cloud service which devices can hook up to, so you could do remote monitoring and management. So we have implemented their software into some of our products, our VIA products, our Pathport products, and our Vignette products. And today we're showing it on a Octo. So I am hooked up to a portal on a website. This portal could be completely customized for any application, any integrator, any venue, and it will display different products, and they would be manufacturer agnostic. So I'm going to go into the City booth where we are, City Theatrical at PLASA, and I can see I have 3 products here from Pathway Connectivity. But in the future, as more people get on board with SixEye's cloud, you will see other products by other manufacturers, and you will be able to manage your entire venue using a secure connection on a phone or on a browser of any sort. So let me take you through the Octo. When you first get into the Octo, well, actually, let me back up into the City booth, and I can see I have 3 of my devices online. I have a VIA, an Octo, and a Vignette. And these green dots are really giving me the health of the system in a summary. Hey, everybody's online, that's great. So if I go into my Octo, I can see all kinds of information about it. Interestingly, I can see the uptime. So I can see that this device hasn't rebooted since I turned the power on this morning, in this case about 4 hours and 40 minutes ago. Then I can go a little bit deeper and I can go into all the different ports. And if I go into my last port here, I can see that it has 1 RDM device connected, and that happens to be this Multiverse. And it could be a whole rig of things, but if I unplug the DMX cable, this Octo is always doing background discovery of RDM devices, and you will see that the count of RDM devices goes down to 0, and that can trigger off an alarm to send an email to say, hey, you lost part of your rig. One of the other things we can do is look at the output levels of any one port. So I'm going to select the first port, which is also hooked up to my tape light here, and I can see that I am getting different levels. And I can refresh this at any point and see new levels coming in. And that gives me proof of play, not just what's actually happening. Some controller is sending levels. I can sort of dissect that and see where they're going. The other thing we can do is advanced functions like rebooting the device or identifying device, or if we go into the tasks here, I can run different sort of tasks, like I can disable the DMX on ports A, B, C, and D just by hitting an action. So that is actually going to, there we go, I'm going to run that now, and this will kill the DMX on the first 4 ports. So I get an awful lot of flexibility of how I can manage these products from afar, and again, it can be done on any connection, any guest network. So I'm just using my phone here, and I can control different things, like I'm going to turn off this tape light. So there it goes, it sends off the commands. So I'll turn off the red zone, or I can turn on the green zone. So this is going all the way up to the cloud, coming back down to our system in a secure manner. So again, this is SixEye connected Octo at PLASA. For more information, have a look at our website at pathwayconnect.com.